everyone, today I will tell you how to make chocolate custard pudding. For that we need vanilla custard, dark chocolate, crush of hide and seek biscuit, crush of Mary biscuit, for decoration black sprinkle and colorful sprinkle. First we will divide our custard in two bowls. Now we will put our dark chocolate in microwave for 20 seconds. Now we will mix this chocolate in our custard. Some more custard. Now we will mix this like this. Now you can see our chocolate custard is ready. Now we will take the glass and crush of hide and seek biscuit. Now we will put like this. After putting hide and seek biscuit crush, now we will put vanilla custard. Now we will again put hide and seek biscuit crush. Now we will put chocolate custard. Now we will sprinkle Mary biscuit crush. Now again we will put yellow custard. Now we will put Hershey's to make a pretty design. Now we will take one tissue and one toothpick. Like this we will do. Now we will take in last we will take black sprinkle. So friends, now you can see our chocolate custard pudding is ready. Now we will put our chocolate custard pudding in freezer for 3 hours. If you like my video, so please subscribe and like and share. Thank you.